We'll guide you through how to move junk mail to inbox in Outlook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because important emails are sometimes mistakenly filtered into the junk folder by Outlook's spam system. They want to recover legitimate messages from clients, colleagues, or services and ensure they appear in the inbox. This helps prevent missed opportunities, delayed responses, and communication problems caused by incorrect spam filtering. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you enter the correct email address associated with your account to avoid login errors. After typing your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you have successfully signed in and your mailbox is displayed, go to the Mail section so you can access your folders and messages. In the left sidebar, locate and click the Junk Email folder to open it. This folder contains messages that Outlook has identified as spam or unwanted mail. After opening the Junk Email folder, locate the email you want to move to the inbox. When you have found the correct email, right-click on the email message to open the context menu with additional options. From the available options in the menu, select Move to begin transferring the message. A list of destination folders will appear on your screen. Select Inbox as the destination folder, so the email will be returned to your main mailbox. After choosing Inbox, click OK to confirm the action. The email will automatically be moved to your inbox and will no longer appear in the junk email folder. For the second method, remain inside the junk email folder and locate the email you want to move to the inbox. Once you have identified the correct message, click on it to highlight it. Next, click the three dots icon in the top menu to open more options for managing the selected email. A drop-down list will appear with several actions you can take. From this list, select Move to continue the process. You will then see a list of available folders. Choose Inbox as the destination folder where you want the email to be placed. After selecting Inbox, click OK to confirm your selection. The email will automatically be moved to your inbox, completing the process successfully.